안녕하세요 여러분! 여기는 IIL02 and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, I was speaking in Korean a while ago because this video is about Korean culture. Well, it's actually skincare as well. So, my friends from a Korean brand sent me a PR package. So, I'm so happy to share with you the unboxing of this product and my review with one of their greatest invention, guys. So, first of all, guys, this brand is called Keep Cool product. So, I've been with them since last year and I've been using their items and I'm so happy and satisfied with it. So, the first thing that you need to know is that they're a brand that is based in Korea. So, they're just sending all their packages or yung mga products nila here. And their items are also available naman din here in UAE or in Dubai. So, but still guys, if you want, we can place your orders with them and it will be coming from Korea itself. But, guys, as I've said, this is a PR package and they sent it unexpectedly. Bakit? Hindi ako completely like super official ambassador of the brand. It's just that I think they like my usual posting of their product. One of their products kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-effective na product na na-try ko with them. And then suddenly, I received a DM from them on Instagram and it just says, you have 2 products coming to your way. I was like, what? So, there was already a tracking number, shipment, whatsoever. And after some days, here it is, guys. So, this is something that they sent because of an event in Korea. So, if you don't know, October 9 is the Hangul Day for Koreans. So, Hangul is the alphabet of the Koreans or South Korea. So, ayun nga. Now, guys, this is not just skincare product. So, what's with this is something that has the Korean culture. So, I'm so really excited to share with you the unboxing of this. So, let's open it, guys, and share with you. Kasi, I've been waiting for this item na simula nung na-receive ko yung DM. Wait lang guys ha. Medyo maliit yung cutter ko and I don't want to cut myself. Just because I'm so excited. Yep. Oopsie. Ayan na siya. There. So, I'm just gonna remove it from the box, guys. And you'll see, there it's Keep Cool. Yeah. I don't want to ruin it. Sige. Pero, I'll try my best na hindi ko siya masira. Ayan. Pwede pa naman pala. See, sis. Keep Cool. Ayan. And, here it is, guys. So, this is actually their Keep Cool. Ooh! Ayan na, guys. Let me just show you everything inside. There. Ayan siya. So, first thing is a personalized letter. So, dear Irene, 9 October is Hangul Day in Korea. So, we have decided to gift you with a Korean stamp set of your Korean name. Also, we've included the soon-to-be-released limited edition Sun Essence suitcase set. So, we will announce it on our IG soon, so stay tuned. Yours faithfully, Keep Cool. See how sweet they are, guys? And you will find here, eto nga pala yung official ambassadors ng Keep Cool in Korea. So, I know you know this persons. So, yeah. Ang sweet nila kasi may personal. So, let's first open this. Yeah. Limited edition suitcase Sun Essence. So, yung favorite item ko sa kanila, guys, which I will also tell you the review, is yung Bamboo Sooth sunscreen nila. Mapag-sunscreen akong tao kesa sa... Oops. Pag nagkakat pala kayo ng item, guys, huwag paloob, ha? Palabas. So, you don't get to hurt yourself. So, Bon Voyage. Keep Cool Sooth. Guys, ang cute ng packaging. Nakikita nyo? Sana nakikita nyo. Diba? Tada! So, what's inside? Let me just open it in front of you guys. There it is! So, yeah. Ayan. So, this is the Bamboo Sooth Essence, Sun Essence, and their soon to release Keep Cool and Sooth Lotion. So, ayan. I hope you can see it. And the other one is, yes! I've just finished my tube of Sun Essence, which they also gifted me before to try. So, this one is like a refill. Thank you so much, Keep Cool friends. So, actually, I'm gonna show you. Ito yung Keep Cool ko na sunscreen. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Later, I'll tell you why. But for the meantime, let's go with the items. So, ito din. They gave me this one. Plus, guys, ang parang logo animal ng Keep Cool is panda. Which is, of course, my favorite animal on earth. Yeah, so this really gives you good vibes. So guys, let's go with my personal Korean name. So they sent me. So this is spelled as Irene. So my name is Irene. So they gave me this one. And this is, I think, the... Let me just open it. Ang hirap niyang i-open, guys. Ayan. So, ito yung stamp pad. And, ito yung stamp ko. Tada! So, it's made of wood. And then, ayan siya. Keep Cool. And then, yung pinaka Korean name ko. Saan nakita nyo? Nakita nyo ba, guys? Ayan. Basahin nyo. So, wait nga, guys. Sana nakita nyo. Pinipilit ko talaga makita nyo because I'm so proud of my Korean name. Yan. So, ako lang yung may sariling ganito. Wow. No, of course, this is my name. So, ako lang yung may ganitong stamp. And then, I'm gonna stamp everywhere. I'm so proud of myself. I-stamp ko siya lahat. So, ayun nga, guys. Because it's Hangul Day, so they gave us this personalized item, which I didn't really expect. Kasi nga, I'm not yet like an official ambassador of Keep Cool. So, anyways, thank you so much for all of this Keep Cool. Now, as I've said, this is also like a review of their product. So, eto nga yun. Eto siguro yung nagbigay sa kanila na why they gifted me. Kasi, I keep on posting about this one on my IG story. This is their Bamboo Sooth Sun Essence. This is a sunscreen of SPF 50 plus PA++++. Guys, I've tried a lot of sunscreen. And especially Dubai is a really freaking hot city. It's one of the hottest city in the world. So, guys, kailangan nyo talaga i-protect yung skin nyo. So, I've been using different kinds of sunscreen. And there are lots of them that made my skin react to it. So, like, especially if you're putting the face mask and then, really guys, it's really depressing kasi sunscreen ka, then face mask nagre-react yung nose ridges ko, even down on my chins. It was really stressful. Then, I got this one. The texture itself, super absorbent, and it's long-lasting. So, it's really good, and it has a really good protection on the skin. So, may just to compare guys, tignan nyo naman kung gaano kataba to. Tapos ito yan, manipis na siya. Because I've been using it every day. And even my sister likes this one. So nakikihingi na rin siya for my sunscreen. So I'm thankful that Keep Cool sent me another one to replace this one. And well guys, it's not just this item I do have a lot more of Keep Cool products because I really like their brand. So this is like Keep Cool and Shine Cream. It really helps to whiten dark spots in your skin, on your skin I mean. So this one is also good. And this is their Keep Cool and Shine Mist. Hindi ako I'm not really into mist because it's somehow makes my skin react. But as you can see, I've already used this one. Somehow it's really good as long as I don't really use it every day. And my next item on the go is there's Keep Cool and Sooth Water. It's like more of a toner to me. So I haven't used this yet, but I've read the feedbacks and all, and to my other skincares, that's why I bought this one. So ayun lang. I like their items and I'm thankful that they like me as well because of my postings. That's why they gifted me this Korean personalized stamps and their limited edition sun essence with the sun lotion, Sooth lotion. So again, thank you again, Keep Cool, and I hope you've learned something with this guys, especially with their products. And I highly recommend this sun essence. And that's it. I hope you've learned something. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you on my next videos. Bye!